All right, if you're able to, please pull up your module notes that have the pictures from the textbook of the bony anatomy of the ankle and the foot. We're going to just review this. I'm just going to point them out so you can see a 3D visual. So we have our tibia and our fibula that meet up here. Our tibia is going to meet up with our talus. Talus is this middle irregular shaped bone in the middle that creates our ankle joints. We have two ankle joints, talar curl, where our tibia meets our talus, and then underneath it is our subtalar. Talus meets our calcaneus. The talus and the calcaneus is our heel bone. This is our hind foot, so the back part of our foot, and it's part of the ankle joints. So we technically have two ankle joints, talar curl and subtalar, with our talar curl being our main ankle joint. We'll talk about motions that come from this later on in this module. From there, we have our midfoot, which are made up of our tarsal bones. For this class, I'm just going to have you memorize that these irregular shaped bones are called tarsal bones. We have our navicular, our cuboid, and our cuneiforms, but for this class, I just want you to know that those are tarsal bones. These are toe bone or our foot bones are called our metatarsals, and then we have our phalanges. So they're all lined up in with each other. So it's the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, with the fifth being the smallest and the first being the biggest. We'll also refer to this as the great toe. Down here, where our foot bones, our metatarsals meet our toe bones, phalanges, we have our MTP, metatarsal phalangeal joints. Those are important joints, a lot of movement. That's how we toe off. The great toe being one of the most important ones. It's reinforced with an extra sesamoid, two sesamoid bones here because there's a big flexor tendon that runs, and it's reinforced with the volar plate because there's so much motion and stress in this joint to toe off and run and jump and things. So for the actual foot and bony anatomy, please just understand that there's a tibia and fibula. They also meet right here, creating a distal tibia fibular joint that really provides a lot of stability to the ankle and upward. But when we talk about our ankle joints, we're talking about our talar curl right here, subtalar with our talus and our calcaneus. And then we got our tarsals, metatarsals, phalanges. If you have any questions about this, please reach out.